Hi, I would like to show you how to work with a great block RecAvrg, which is basically here on this screen. So this block has two inputs, analog input for analog input signal and pulse trigger, CLK, and this block calculates average between two active pulses from analog input signal, and it gives us the result on the output AO. So if we change the place here, so I prepared let's say more blocks where it's more visible, and let's reset it. So I took sinusoid block, pulse generator block from timer from PG, then I took average block, our RecAvrg block, and COV, which saved the value into the set point. Why not? According to the change, so if there is bigger change than 0.1, so it's saved into the set point. And now, in case that we have sinusoid signal, so if we generate two pulses, which mean in the same time where is the sinus signal in 0, so we should get the average 0. So let's try it. So I have here this forcing block from CAS Standard for synchronization of reset of sinusoid block and for starting the pulse generator. So right now we have sinus time and pulse generator 1010, and let's destroy it. So now this block calculates the average every 10 seconds from sinusoid signal. So it calculates all of those values during that time, and it gives us the result which holds here until we get a new CLK pulse. So as you can see, there is just small mistake in rounding of the value, that there is minus 0.002316447, and there is plus 0.00603 plus 39. I think there is small time difference between the synchronization of sinus and pulse generator, but in average it's 0. And that's it. That's how this average block works. It gives us the result between two pulses. So it calculates the average from all samples during that time. Isn't it great? I think so.